Oi everybody, Juliana here. Welcome back to the kitchen. Today we are making one classic apple season recipe, apple crispy. This is a super easy and very tasty recipe that goes well with any occasion, especially when you don't have much time and need an amazing dessert ready to go. I will be making a flourless version, so for those who can't have gluten, it will be just perfect. Served with some vanilla ice cream, apple crisp is really a must-try, so let's make it! For the topping, into a bowl, add 1 cup of almond flour or almond meal, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and a good pinch of kosher salt. Combining them well. Most of this recipe is made using the hands. You can feel everything easily and get it done without getting many tools dirty. Add 120 grams of cubed and very cold unsalted butter. Cut the butter into it using a dough blender or even just a fork. For this part, I don't do it by hand to not overhandle the butter and make it melt. Mix the butter until you get big and small chunks, not a sandy texture. Add 1 1/4 cup of rolled oats. This is the texture you're looking for. I even like to add this mixture into the freezer before baking, for about 10 minutes. To make sure it's a little harder, so it will bake nice on top with the apples underneath. Now it's time for you to drop a like if you're enjoying this video, and make sure to subscribe to the channel if you're new here for more amazing delicious recipes. For the apple filling, I'm using Golden Delicious apples. You can use any good baking apples you like. I'm always trying different ones, since Canada has so many different kinds of apples. Golden Delicious is one of my favorites. It has a nice sweetness and citrus flavor that is perfect for this recipe. So first, peel and cut 6 apples. There are so many tools out there for cutting apples, but by hand is also easy enough. Whatever works for you. I just peeled and cut the apples using the flattest side, cut in half, and then in quarters. Then flatten it like this. Cut the middle part, removing the seeds and any leftover skin. Then cut the quarters into equal pieces so they will cook nice and even. Place the apples into a bowl and add half a lemon of lemon juice, gradually until you cut them all. Toss the apples into the juice as you add it. This will help the apples from getting brown and to add the citrus flavor we want in it. Add half a cup of white sugar and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. As you add, mix everything together. A 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt, half a teaspoon of vanilla, 1 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 2 1/2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Make sure the cornstarch is mixed very well into the juice and apples. For this recipe, you need a medium casserole pan. Brush some soft butter all over the dish, just a little like 1 teaspoon. Add the apples and all the juice. After nice and cooled, almost frozen, add the topping over the apples, spreading even and pressing it a little into the apples as well. Place it into the preheated oven to 350 Fahrenheit and bake it for 25 to 35 minutes or until the top is golden brown and you can see filling start to bubble. Add some dried fruits on top if you want. Raisins, cranberries, cherries go really well with it. I'm using dried cherries. Cool and serve your homemade apple crisp with a nice scoop of vanilla ice cream. This is amazing just by itself, but the creaminess of the ice cream goes great with the tartness and cinnamon of the crisp. The hot and cold combination always makes you feel warm and cozy. This is fall comfort food at its best. The buttery crispy topping combined with the caramelized creamy and citrus apples, it's a perfect spoon coming together with the ice cream. I can eat this the whole week. So everybody, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Ciao! Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to drop a like here. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe here. On BakeCookTravel, we always bring the best food adventures and food recipes. If you'd like to see more food recipes, click here. And for more food adventures, click here. See you in the next video.